Okay, Marika, we're here at 485. We started the repairs downstairs, but when we were doing that, the shower, this is the shower here upstairs, the shower piping has become loose, broken off. The same way that the pipes downstairs cracked, this one here is cracked as well. So you can see this. Here it is coming out. So it's that is right there. This one here seems to be fine, but I'm afraid that with time it's gonna also break off, so we're gonna have to change that as well. This is the tub, and the fixtures, we don't know if they're good yet, but same thing happened here where I had to replace this piping. You see that? That's already new. That there, and it's going downstairs, feeding in from the hot water and cold water. So that's what we have here, 485. And I'm gonna show you downstairs. I'm gonna back up a little bit. This is the electrical. We're troubleshooting where the shortage is coming from. And again, that's the new piping that's coming up, going upstairs to the tub. This is the old piping that's coming down from the shower. It runs down to this main. So all this here seems to be good, and all we're gonna replace is from this end. Begins from here all the way across there to feed the tub and the shower. This is the main. The main seems to be in good condition. We haven't turned on the water yet. So that is it. Till then.